Oh yeah. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We did it. That's the initial test ride of the old snowmobile. It's got little kinks that need work, a few small kinks that need worked out. Adjust the throttle, maybe put that other gear on. It's a little bit slow. It's gonna take me out camping and ice fishing. I'm not really planning on it doing a whole lot else. But all that stuff we can work out. We did it. We built this Mo Fishies. Now we're gonna put it through the paces. Let's go, it works. It'll be kind of hard with one hand. It's kind of hard with two hands. Like, that's max. So that's definitely the gearing. I'm gonna have to do something about that. Definitely wants to tip towards the motor a little. I expected that, you know, I mean, the motor's hanging off the side. Obviously it's not made for that kind of terrain, but whatever, kind of works. That's why you need that leverage to push down, get that track biting in. Yeah, I definitely need a solid bracket to hook up to my hitch that I made. I definitely need to be standing closer to it. Let's try that first. See if this does anything. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. All right, that was test one with that 46 tooth gear. Definitely gonna slap on that smaller 25 tooth gear, I think it is. See how that does. And I need to weld up some sort of hookup system for the sled. Be more rigid than towing it with a rope, you know. That wasn't great, but first test, and it freaking worked. Whatever, we'll iron out all the kinks later. Yeah, I'm excited, y'all. If you haven't checked out my video on first of all, how I tore Polaris XLT down and built this puppy, check that one out, but also my tow hitch. I think that's gonna work out quite well for this application. And make sure you tune in to my next video where I'm gonna try adjusting the gearing and a few other things here, I think, and get a little better performance out of her. But huge success, it works. And all that little stuff we'll figure out along the way. So, till next time, catch you mo fishies later.